Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing some lemon pepper jerk chicken. So for this recipe I'll be using some chicken drumsticks, green seasoning, salt and pepper. I'm going to be using a lemon, but I'm using the rind of the lemon. In here I have my allspice berries, and this is what they look like. My better than bouillon, roasted chicken base, Walker's wood. Now I usually use the mild, but this time I'm going to use the hot and spicy. Let's see how hot this one is. I have my olive oil here in the back, garlic powder, smoked paprika. I'm also going to be using some chicken seasoning and of course some lemon pepper seasoning. Additionally, I will be adding some soy sauce. Let's get right to cooking. So I'm starting with the salt and black pepper, followed by the green seasoning. Next, I'm going in with the smoked paprika, the garlic powder, and the poultry seasoning. Next, I'm going in with that lemon pepper seasoning. Next, I'm going in with that allspice berries, some olive oil, and I'm going in with some of that better than bouillon base. This adds so much flavor to your meats. And the jerk seasoning, and just a dash of that soy sauce. Yep, that's enough. And lastly, I am going in with lemon. So I am only using the rind in this recipe. Now be careful not to go too deep with the white area. I'm going very gently for that top layer only. And let's just mix everything together. Now I am using the same wrap that I use with my orange pepper chicken, and I got this from Temu, and I will link it in the bio. And now I'm going to place this into my oven. The oven is set to 375. I'm going to have it in there for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Before it's done, I'm going to be doing a slight glaze that I will be using the same sauces that I'll from the marinade, and I'll also be adding some jerk barbecue sauce. So the chicken is done, and next I'm just going to be making that marinade where I put in the jerk seasoning, barbecue sauce, and the liquid left over from the marinade. Now I'm going to have it on low heat and then transfer it to the chicken. Then I top this off with some scallion and peppers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.